Tags in Microsoft Teams. Welcome to M365 Professional. Reach the right people faster with tags and Microsoft Teams. If you need to contact an individual or group with a specific attribute, tags can identify and connect you to the right people instantly. To get started, click the three dots next to a team. Select Manage Tags and click on Create Tag. Name your tag after some attribute, such as role or project name. Then add members to the tag group. After creation, anyone on the team can use the tag in a channel or to start a chat. For example, when the onboarding leads tag is mentioned in this channel, its members are notified when you send the message. Once a tag is used, anyone can hover over it to see the members. When starting a new chat, simply include the tag in your participant list and you'll be instantly connected to the right people. Communicate faster and smarter with tags and Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.